Another day, another. We woke up with a bigger, you know how we go. What's good, Chad? It's another day, another fancy video. So today is mostly like a vlog. So I spoke to my dad yesterday that the fuel is still leaking, and I still think there's a pipe or like something wrong. Excuse me, within the fuel pump.
So he told me to go, take it to King's, I don't know, motor spares, auto spares, whatever it is, where we did the wheel alignment. So he wants me to get it on the hydraulic jack and just to see what the issue could be. Maybe there's a clamp loose or something, you know. So we gonna go get ready and then take it. I'm gonna first phone the guy there, ask him if he can do it for me. Tell him I'm gonna record and everything so I can see what's the issue. So in the long run, we know, okay, what is the issue? It could be a clamp that's the issue. Because I'm tired of paying for petrol. And, you know, people are asking me, Andrew, how do you pay so much for petrol? But we'll see how that goes. So let's go get ready and take this car. Let's take Lovey-Dovey onto the tracks.
So Chad, we just waiting for Lovey-Dovey to warm up a little bit. We are now on my way to go see what could be the problem with the car. Yeah, my car's fumbling today for some good reason. But anyways, let's go check up on these things. I would play music. I would put y'all here, but I don't know if it's gonna sit because this thing doesn't work nicely. Let me see. Content I've been posting out, because like I put a poll on Instagram about like more vlogs and shit, because y'all want more vlogs and stuff. So this is a vlog, like a drive pure type of thing. There's a car coming, so I got to go because I have to turn full. Impatient as hell. I don't even think my petrol's gonna take me anywhere. Y'all's favorite like type of golf, like southafrica.com, like we all know there's like a big favorite. Mine is like unique. Guys, can I rather record coming back because I need to listen to music or something? So as you saw, we arrived successfully. But let me show you something. I want to show you something quickly. Hold on. This light is scaring the hell out of me. This thing is scaring the hell out of me. Because it was so low right now that like the car was losing like fuel. So now that the car is now officially losing fuel, it's kind of hurting harder because money-wise, it's not good. Because this guy coming overtake me in the line. Guy overtook me in the line, bro. This guy overtake me in the line. Just want to see if my fuel pump is leaking, bro. Oh. But yeah, all things aside, it's like, it's kind of sad. It's kind of sad because, hey, I need money, you know. So I might just take a walk quickly now with money for petrol or draw money, because like, yeah, money ain't a problem, you know? Money ain't a problem. Then we'll take maybe a drive to Timberland, Niven. Yeah, just enjoy. It's boring at home. So let's see what we can do and see what we make a plan about. Because I don't know how long I'm gonna sit here for. You know, so let's see what happens. So Chad, just arrived at Niven Motorspace, you know, the place, the main place. So we rocked up here and there was a certain somebody here. Wait, let me turn the camera.
Hi vlog. Proudly sponsored by Vivian's Motorspace. Number one space shop.
Type shit. Hey.
Dare say Mtata.
Hey.
We come late.
Hey. And those pain on your head, bro. Arrived. Took the car on the lift. So, yeah. Can you smell it, Angolia? Chat. Another day. Another dollar. We woke up with a smaller, Chat, heart is broken. I know I never took a nice video of the previous 2 clips, but my heart is so... Eesh. The whole tank itself is leaking. What does one do now when the tank is leaking? Yeah. But yeah, chat, that's one issue that we have going on. The car was kind of dirty, so I just rinsed it a little bit. But yeah, make a plan, take another video when I'm sorting out the fuel pump. But for now, there's nothing I can do. Not the fuel pump, the fuel tank. So just want to say thank you guys for watching. That was just a small little vlog of Andron's day. So we're gonna go watch football now. And yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it all. Thank you for 200 and something subscribers. Appreciate y'all all. Peace.